lost my charger.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay because we're in Magic Kingdom. Woo! Have a wonderful day planned today, Magic Kingdom, and then tonight we're going to Viennapoli for dinner.
The best pizza in the world.
Pizza. Move and shake it, everyone. Move and shake it. Move and shake it. Move and shake it. We are in Fantasyland now because we do have, oh look, mine train. We do have fast passes for Barnstormer.
Barnstormer.
Never been on it before. I don't think you've been on it before either.
Nope.
Nope.
I've been on it.
Oh, well, poop on you.
Sorry.
Barnstormer. We got the front row.
Best row.
And then you have like a, I don't know what that is.
It's beautiful.
Hi.
I can't.
Here we go.
Off to Neverland.
Pretty. Hello, Fantasyland.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, so what's up? Hi, Dumbo. That's it. That was the entire ride. What?
That was 12 seconds.
That was what? 10, 12 seconds? Hello! Look, we have a friend back there! That was the shortest ride on the planet.
But you know what?
But it was super fun!
Fan-freaking-tastic.
Yeah, it was actually went a lot faster than I thought it was gonna go. Oh my gosh, so pretty! The castle's so pretty! So pretty! I've actually never seen the mosaics in here. Oh, so pretty! Hello, Cinderella! Ooh, real gold.
Cinderella.
We're actually now in Liberty Square because we need something to eat, and I have never been to Sleepy Hollow, so I think I need a waffle. What did you get?
I got a sandwich
my
that's
gosh.
actually a waffle with Swiss, tomato, ham, prosciutto, and it has lettuce, but the lettuce tastes awful. So I'm gonna eat it with that.
Oh my gosh, look what Kristi and I got. They're so beautiful. Nutella fruits and waffle.
How amazing it looks.
Don't understand how excited I am to have this. So as Dream Along with Mickey goes on in the back, how was your waffle?
Maybe ate a little too fast. I got really excited.
Okay, I know Dream Along with Mickey's going on, but like it's exciting, but don't die.
I'm sorry, this is a really good sandwich, okay?
Go, how is it?
So yummy. I only got Nutella and
That's okay. Any dream is possible. Wishes do come true. She had a vision.
Good?
Oh my god, that's so good! Yum! So terrible from me. Probably gonna make my stomach upset. But you know what? Who cares? It's dang good. That was really good. I'm gonna have to get it again. That was yum.
Mine was good. I don't know though. I don't really think that waffle and ham kind of go together. It was good. It was delicious. I would rather probably get though like Nutella and waffle. But
Yas.
so
Rain came down. The rain came down. Kristi's in a poncho. Rain came down. And rushing, reveling rivulets. Water crept up things up and right down into piglets. Time to see some good old friends of ours. There was blood on the saddle and blood all around in a great big puddle of blood on the ground. DMG, Lincoln Zed, Ted and Fred, bear named Tennessee.
Oh, just forget about the plans that we were making. Or we did all that we could.
and a great big pile of blood on the ground.
Big Al is the best.
My favorite show, Blood on the Saddle. Literally watch a show just for Big Al.
all around.
I'm going on a mountaintop in Tennessee.
Blood on the saddle.
We enjoyed Country Bar Jamboree.
Country bar.
Country Bar, gonna say bar in Davy Crockett.
Bar.
And now we're gonna go to another inside show because it's still raining. So I was thinking going to a tropical hideaway.
You lucky people, you.
If we weren't in the show starting right away,
We'd be in the audience too.
all together.
In the tiki 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 room, in the tiki 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 room, all the birds and words and the flowers groom, in the tiki 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 room. Welcome to our tropical hideaway, you lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd be in the audience too.
All together. I love that show. It's my favorite attraction, probably, or one of my absolute favorite attractions ever. Ever, maybe the only one. Anyway, I know that show a little way too well, and a lot of people were watching us dance to it, but that's okay. Now we're gonna head over to Main Street, USA, and walk right down the middle of it.
Right down the middle of Main Street, USA.
Look who we found. Hello, Katarina.
I get my tiara out.
Oh, you crowned yourself.
I crowned
Well,
myself.
little town.
And you can't see my outfit because I have this poncho on.
Village. One before, little town, of little people, waking up to say bonjour. Festival of Fantasy has been canceled. It's the rainy day parade. Oh my god. Was gonna go, but the rainy day parade was worth it. Guess who I found? Oh my god! It's Olaf and Olivia! Olaf and Olivia! I want this so bad. $100.
Ship it home.
Plus 40% off holiday discount, $60.
Plus free shipping.
So actually, I am going to go to my Disney Heritage class now, which happens to be in Magic Kingdom. How convenient. So I will be gone for about 2 hours, taking a tour on the lovely Magic Kingdom with my Disney Heritage class. But that means I'm not going to leave you guys. So I think we're going to have some guest vloggers. Guest vloggers? Hello? Hello.